This is a Shemagh. Shemagh. So essentially what you got here is basically just a cloth square. It's fairly thick, nice, durable, stretchy material. When it gets washed, oftentimes it has this sort of quality where it's a little wrinkled and it stretches pretty good. But if you've worn it a few times, this one's been worn in Iraq. We wear these a lot in Iraq and Afghanistan to keep us hot in the winter and cold in the summer. You know, you put water on it and keep cool. It's a very nice garment. It helps hide your face, protects you from the sun, the elements, dirt, whatever, and when people are coughing in your face. Since we're kind of going through a thing right now in the United States and the world over, really, I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys how to properly wear one of these. It's fairly simple. First things first is you turn it into a big triangle. It's just one fold, and then you got your triangle. You can space it out a little bit so you got extra material there. It's not perfectly centered. I know that's an OCD no-no, but even I have gotten over that because, frankly, the more material you have surrounding your face and everything, the better. Having it overlap like this also gives you an extra layer of filter protection. This is not an official filter, so don't go thinking this is going to save your life in every situation. It's just a good temporary fix. So the very first thing you want to do is kind of hold it over your head like so. You're going to put it about 70% on this side, 30% on this side. You're going to drape it so it's on your forehead. Just about. Let me make sure I got it. It's been a while since I've done this. So then what you want to do is kind of take the corner up here by your eyeball, and pull the rest through across your face. Reach under and grab this here, just like so. Make sure that you can see, obviously, and then you should have the main bit right under your chin. And you pull it back around the other side. And you're going to tie these two ends together if you can. I don't like to because you're basically just going to have it draped over your face. What you want to do is pull the top over and pull the bottom up over your nose. Boom! You have a nice face mask. You can pull the back down onto your neck. You know, it's very comfortable to wear. Throughout the day you can pull it down, pull it up, pull it as comfortable. If the wind's picking up, there's rain and snow, you can have it cover your face, whatever you need. It's also a great place to hang your hands. Nothing beats an N95 mask. They're specifically designed to filter particles as you're breathing. But if you're out there hoarding these things, please consider donating to the people who are actually fighting this disease. Maybe the ones who are in the medical field or the firefighters out there serving people in the field. So just be safe out there. Not everything works, but at least you have some tools to get you by. So from our house to yours, God bless and take care. I challenge you to subscribe to this channel. I guarantee you're going to like content we put out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the bell notification on the side so that you don't miss the next one.